Hi, this is Miss B, and today we're going to learn to format pictures and objects in a document. When you insert a picture and object and you select the picture object, you'll see these little squares all around the picture. Those are called sizing handles and are very important to formatting a picture. Sizing handles can be used to make the picture smaller, so I can drag the picture smaller so it's not quite so large on the document. When you select a picture, you'll get a contextual tab. On that contextual tab, you'll see Format. If you click on the Format ribbon for the picture becomes visible, and you can do several things to the picture. One of the things that you can do to the picture is use text wrap. Text wrap can put the text behind the picture, in front of the picture. It can put it through the picture. So if I move the picture up here, by dragging it, I use text wrap. If I use it square, it puts it square around the picture. If I use it through, it will put the picture through the text, so now you can see text on this side. Or if I put it behind the text, then it puts the picture behind the text and puts the text on top of it. I personally think I like square for this item, so we're going to put it on square. Another thing that you can use that's on the format ribbon for the picture is the crop button. And what the crop button is used for, it's used to take all of this excess picture stuff out that you don't want. So if we click on the crop button, then you get these black lines. You can drag the picture, you can drag the whole picture by dragging the corner, or you can just drag grab the top and just drag the top of the picture down so that you're dragging out all the unwanted parts of the picture that you have. And there you've got a smaller picture. Another thing that you can do with your picture is on the formatting ribbon, you have different picture styles. So you can just drop down and choose one, and it will tell you, like if you put your arrow, it tells you what type of picture it is. I'm going to use the bevel rectangle. So when I click on that, notice that my picture now has changed to a different style. My text wrap is still squared around my picture. The other thing that you can do besides that is you can put a border around your picture by simply clicking a particular color. I think I want to use the green, and just like you do other borders around things, I can do a picture effect. Picture effects probably most misunderstood among most people, but the picture effects, there are several different types. You can put a shadow, an inner shadow, an outer shadow. You can do perspective shadow. I'm going to use a perspective shadow, and I'm going to use diagonal upper left. So if I click on that, you can see there's my shadow right there on my picture. You can also use like a 3D rotation, where you can rotate your picture a little bit. So if I use 3D rotation, there's my picture. So those are all picture effects that you can use, and you can choose any one of these on here. If you just look at them, you can see what all is available for you to use. Just like pictures, any object that you insert into a document can be formatted using the format for that particular item on the contextual tab. For example, your word art right here. This is the ribbon for the word art, and you can see that it has shape fill, shape outline, shape effects. If you watched my video on tables, you could see that tables also could be formatted that way. Thank you for listening today. Hope you learned a lot.